inching slowly forward into the front seat after you've been told you have to sleep in the back seat for this ride?
Because, Mama, if I inch forward, then you won't really see that I'm coming in the front. And I'll do it one paw at a time. And you won't mind it, because I know you still love me.
Who's sneaking up here? Hey.
Look, I'm up. I made it, Mama. See, you're not kicking me back anymore. Now I get to growl